What if the people who were supposed to love you the most left the deepest wounds? Toxic parenting doesn't always mean physical abuse. Sometimes it's the silent killers, guilt-tripping, emotional neglect, or conditional love. Today, we'll explore the psychology behind toxic parenting, its lifelong effects, and most importantly, how to heal. 4 types of toxic parenting, backed by research. Psychologists identify 4 major toxic parenting styles, each leaving unique scars. 1. The narcissistic parent. Visual. A parent taking credit for a child's trophy. Research. Studies show narcissistic parenting leads to chronic self-doubt in adulthood. Journal of Personality, 2018. 2. The emotionally neglectful parent. Visual. A child's emotional outburst ignored. Naruto finding. Children of neglectful parents often struggle with emotional numbness. Child Development, 2020. 3. The controlling parent. Visual. Strings attached to a puppet child. Data. Linked to anxiety disorders and decision paralysis. Journal of Family Psychology, 2019. 4. The guilt tripper. Visual. A parent saying, "After all I've done for you." Study. Chronic guilt predicts people-pleasing and burnout. Clinical Psychology Review, 2021. How toxic parenting rewires the brain. Toxic childhoods don't just hurt. They physically alter brain development. Shrunken hippocampus impacts memory and emotional regulation. Harvard Study, 2017. Overactive amygdala leaves you in constant fight-or-flight mode. Dysregulated dopamine makes you addicted to approval from toxic people. This explains why so many adults of toxic parents struggle with self-sabotage, toxic relationships, and chronic guilt. Breaking the cycle and healing. Healing isn't about blaming, it's about rewiring. Here's how. Name the wound. Write a letter to your younger self. You don't have to send it. Reparent yourself. Practice self-compassion. I deserved better. Set boundaries. I love you, but I won't tolerate disrespect. Therapy works. CBT and EMDR are proven to heal childhood trauma. APA 2022. You are not your past. Toxic parenting might have shaped you, but it doesn't have to define you. If this resonated, comment "Healing" below. You're not alone. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch our next video on how to spot narcissistic abuse.